Now see the question. Okay, what is the first part? It is given, the decimal fraction is given 0.6 bar. 6 bar means that it is a repeating decimal. Okay, how we can write this? See, 0.6 bar means 0.6666 infinitely many times it will come like this. Okay, so x equals to 0.6 bar means 0.66666 like this. Now come to the question, how will you convert this into p upon q form? Do you know what is the answer of this question? The answer is 2 by 3. This is the p upon q form, numerator upon denominator. It is the standard form of a rational number. Any rational number can be written in this form. Okay, now we have to convert 0.6 bar into this form, 2 by 3. So what is the method? So first we will assume this number equals to some variable. We will write it in the form of variable. So we have taken x equals to 0.6 bar. Okay, now we will see on how many digits bar is there. If bar is on single digit, then what we will do? We will multiply on both sides by 10. If bar is on 2 digits, then we will multiply by 100. If bar is on 3 digits, then we multiply by 1000. And if bar is on 4 digits, then we multiply by 10,000. It means those number of bars are there, we have to multiply accordingly. Okay, now in this question bar is on only single digit, so we will multiply by 10 on both sides. So what will happen now? When we have multiplied both sides by 10, so left side will become 10 into x, 10x, and right side when we will multiply, so 6 is a repeating digits, so directly it cannot be multiplied. So first we will expand it. Now as we know 6 bar can be written like this, 0.6666 so many times. So what we do in this question, we have to multiply by 10. It means decimal will change place by one digit towards right hand side. So we required minimum one digit at the right side. Okay, so what we are doing, we are writing 6 bar as 0.66 bar, as we can write 6 so many times. So but it is as per requirement, we need only one digit, so we have written only twice, 6 bar. If there will be 100, then how we have to write? Then we will write at 666 3 times. If there is 1000, then we will write this 4 times, like that. Okay, so now we can multiply it. When we will multiply it, decimal will change place towards right side by one digit. So 10x will become equals to 6.6 bar, 6.6 bar. Now we have assumed these two as two equations. Now simplify them to get the value of x. What we will do, we have to remove this repeating part. Until we will not remove the repeating part, we will not get the exact value. Okay, to get the exact value, we have to remove this repeating part. So to do that, what we will do, we will subtract first equation from second equation. Now see, first equation from second equation. See here, we have subtracted first equation from second equation. 10x equals to 6.6 bar and x equals to 0.6 bar. 10x से x को सब्ट्रैक्ट क्या बचा 9x, यहाँ पर क्या बचा 6.0. What will remain over here? 10x minus x equals to 9x. 6.6 bar minus 0.6 bar. Now these two are same. These can be subtracted. So 6 bar and 6 bar. When we subtract from 6 bar, then what we will get? 0. And 6 minus 0 is 6. So 9x equals to 6. Simplified, x equals to 2 upon 3. So what we get finally? X equals to 2 upon 3. It is the form of P upon Q. In the same method, you will try to solve different question of this exercise. Try to solve them and then ask the queries. If you are having any kind of confusion, then you can ask.